my name is Equaya. I'm the creator and founder of Silky Sax, and I'm here today to do a review of this Neesha 202. But before we get into that, you know there's a few things I'm going to ask you to do. If this is your first time, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop a video. We come to you every single Monday with wig reviews, hair tips, hair tutorials. Sometimes we even do giveaways. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free. And then comment down below. Let me know what you think of the wig. And if you're watching over on Facebook, we love you guys too. Thank you so much. Go ahead and give this video a like and a share. And then you comment down below and let us know that you were in the building. And here at Silky Chicks, we love to send a shout out to all of our subs. So today's shout out is going to Miss Britannia Lee. I hope I'm saying that right. It's either Britannia or Britannia Lee. You guys, she slays her wigs, and she's gonna go ahead and model the hell out of that wig for you, girl. She shake it, give it to you, right, left, what you want, she got it. And she lets you know how she laid and slays the wig. So I'm going to go ahead and put the link to her video down in the description box below. Go check her out and tell her that Silky Sax sent you. Now, ladies, what if I told you there are 5 things that you could be doing right now that is destroying your beautiful units? It is a new millennium. We want to go ahead and keep these wigs going. I mean, a new millennium, a new decade. We want to keep rocking these wigs. So go ahead and download our free PDF, 5 things that you're doing that is destroying your wigs. That will also be down in the description box below, and it is free. So without further ado, let's get into why you clicked the button. Let's get into Miss Neesha 202. I know that you guys have seen Miss Neesha 202 before, because like I said in my last video on 203, Outre dropped these at the end of the year. Honey, we was out here. We was out here, like they say in New Orleans. We was out here looking for these wigs. I know I stocked several websites myself. I was able to go ahead and score this one on Sam's Beauty. I will have the link to this wig as always in the description box below. However, look, don't be mad at me because I don't know. I don't know if they in. I don't know what is going on. You got to keep looking, stocking. But the wigs are definitely worth it. So this is 202. I will be honest with it, you guys, out of the whole collection, just watching other people's reviews and seeing them, 202 is my least favorite. I do like it, but it is my least favorite. And just you know, out of looking, I haven't got my 201 yet. I will be dropping that review next Monday, so make sure you come back to see what I think about that one. But I was scared, so that's why I went ahead and got it in the 1B, a natural color. And now I kind of wish I would have got it in some color, but I do like the wig. It is quite thick. Of course, you guys already know it can take heat, and the texture is representative of us black girls' beautiful, magical hair. It's very full, and I like that it's like a bob style. I got it in the color 1B, and I'm sure you guys have seen this card a gazillion times, but let me just show it to you again. So I was a little nervous to get this one, but I am, you guys, pleasantly surprised. She did not take as much to style and do as my 203, which was my favorite of the ones I've seen. And so we'll see at the end of all 3 reviews which one is going to be my favorite of the click. But for now, let's just get into what I did, how I laid and slayed Miss 202. So, guys, here she is. I'm sure you've seen this packaging a gazillion times. I'm a little nervous to open up this one because the 201, I wasn't really thrilled with it at first. I had to go on and do a little customizing, and then I really loved it. So we gonna see what this one brings. And this one is the left part, and I'm ready. So okay, so here she is. She is pretty and soft, just like her sister. Got 2 combs. Excuse me, I'm sorry, 2 combs. Oh, one is on the side, you guys. Okay, so one on this side of the part and then one over here. Okay, And then the comb on the back, of course, is the adjustable straps, open cap style. I don't know if you can see that because it's black. And then the part to the left goes kind of over. Okay, so let's put it on and see. Come on, Neesha 202. Okay, so as I'm putting it on the cap, you guys, it's stretching, so I think you can make it work, but it to me doesn't feel as big as the 203 was. Pull this lace out. Get my mirror real quick. Okay, so she's on the left. So as I'm running my fingers through, I'm not getting a lot of tangling. A little shedding. Okay. It's not too thick, you guys, which is good, because that's what really made me scared of this one, the volume. I was like, I don't know if it's going to be too much, because I personally don't like a lot of volume in here. I don't know. My face is fat and round, and I just don't think it does me any justice, but it doesn't look too bad. It's not too thick. I love the color. I like the natural color, and that's why I got it in the natural color one, because I was a little nervous. So there's the part. Alright, so you guys have seen these wigs a ton of times. You just haven't seen it on me, so let me cut the lace off. I'm going to come back after styling, tell you what I did, and give you my final thoughts on Neesha 202. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I am back. We have cut the lace off of Neesha 202 and styled her. So first thing I did was I went ahead and put on my wig grip with this one. I didn't want to have to lay it down just for a review, and I knew I was going to be doing a lot of messing with it because this is really thick, even though it's pretty though, but it is thick. So I went ahead and put my wig grip on, and I went ahead and brushed Neesha out. When I was brushing her out, I did experience a little bit of shedding, which is typical for a synthetic wig. I was actually shocked that I didn't experience more shedding with it, but I'm assuming probably because it's in the 1B color. Usually when you have color, you do more shedding than normal, so I don't know. Then I went ahead and went in and laid my own baby hairs because it was already out a little bit, and so I wanted to make sure that they kind of like blended in. And since my hair is a 1B naturally, my real hair, so I went ahead and took a little bit of my hair out to just kind of blend it in and cover up that lace right here. And then of course I cut the V and went in with my LA Girl concealer and defined the part a little bit more. And now that I'm looking at it, you guys, on camera, I probably would just go ahead and pluck the part a little bit more, because you really, to me, can't see it that well. I don't know. You guys have to tell me in the comments if it's really coming through, because for me, I'm not really seeing the part very well. And then I went ahead and decided it is a little thick, so I went ahead and took my hot comb, plugged it up, and just rubbed it at the top to kind of like bring this down a little bit and run it through. I didn't want to go in and thin and cut it out because I do like the volume. I just thought it was a little too poofy in the crown, and to me, when hair is really poofy up here, especially in the crown, that's a for sure way to tell that it is a wig. And really, that was it, you guys. I do like it. Only thing is, I wish I would have gotten it in a color, because I think I probably would have liked it even better, because, you know, I love color over here. So I'm actually liking this wig more than I thought I would. I still like the 203 better. We'll have to see, and you guys have to come back Monday to see what I think of the 201, because of course I'm dropping that review next. And when I take this wig off, as you already know if you watch me, I'm going to put it in my luxurious Silky Sack. A Silky Sack is a luxurious silk line bag that I created not only to just store your wigs, but to protect them and add longevity to it. The silk lining allows the hair to just glide while it's placed in the bag. That way it cuts down on shedding, matting, and detangling. The same reason why we wear silk bonnets and satin bonnets at night as opposed to shower caps. So if you are interested in a silky sack or things that we sell, I will put the link down in the description below. As always, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching and rocking with me. And remember, better care is better wear. See you next Monday.